Did you ever wanted to have a limited or
sample pair
of sneaker? Well, now I'm gonna share you how did I get a limited or a sample pair on the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store. Let's go. So did you ever wonder some people got a limited or a sample pair of a sneaker? Probably they got it from the Nike, and some gifted them because they are high in the society or something like that, or artists or something like that. But
did you know that you can get a limited pair or a sample pair on the Nike factory store or Nike outlet store?
and the main thing that you need to figure out is how did you could how did you could find them. And these pairs are just not shown up in the regular aisle or regular display. These are, you can find them in the clearance wall or the hash wall. Let me show you. I got two pair that I had here that pick them up on the Nike factory store, or maybe you could pick them up also on the Nike outlet store or Nike clearance store. But probably most of this you could grab them anywhere, especially when they throw it out on the store. I got me one of this. Boom. And this is one of the football cleats, or they said here. And we got a Alpha Elusive Agility cleats for football, as you can see right there. And this is a comes with some kind of Nike grip Flyknit, and with some kind of orange accent and a camel accent on the bottom. Well, now this is where the good part, if you need to look into a limited or sample pair. So one of the trick that I found to get limited or sample pair is they put it in a regular box like this, and they cut it off like just a regular clearance. But the thing that they put here is they don't have the name of the regular shoes, like let's say like this one. They don't have the name on the boxes, like the name and the size and everything. So just look into this one. Just a regular shoe that the name, size, and the code. In a sample pair, you can only find this one. Like they put a miscellaneous, the size, and the price right there. Can you see right there? So mostly a sample pair, they would put this on because they don't have the regular box made of already. So another one here is got another men's size, a multicolor miscellaneous size 9 right there. And we got a socks, a new generation of socks, and also some, if you might see also in the sample pair, they got a sticker like this one. There we go. So so mostly sample pair don't have the actual box, and they put a miscellaneous in the boxes. As you can see right here, the boxes are just made of just the regular boxes, and put on a miscellaneous tag or name right there and the price. So since it's a sample pair, they only put just not the regular price, which is probably the retail price. And the main thing is I got the discount. I got a sample pair for very discounted price, just like this one. So I'm not into shock, but I picked them up because a lot of buyers also like the shock technology, and already sold me some lot of a Nike shop. But other than that, if you are into like getting a sample pair, limited pair, then
You don't have to pay for very expensive sneaker.
that you just can pick them up in the Nike factory store, outlet, and also in the Nike clearance store. So other than that, I hope you learned something from this vlog today, that you can grab a pair of a pair of shoes, a limited shoes, or a sample pair of shoes on the Nike factory store. And there you go. So what do you think of this sample pair that I got in the Nike factory store? Please leave a comment down below. And that being said, I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment down below, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.